on the rear reading lights.
I'm switching on the light in the rear.
Plenty of stuff you can do with your voice as well. So navigation, calling people, changing the ambient lighting color, turning on your heated seats.
What is the major difference from 250? This model?
Yeah, it's the underneath really. So the fact that you're going from a single motor to a dual motor.
Okay.
So a bit more power in this, and it's going to all four wheels.
So this 100 in how many seconds?
Oh, good question. No, definitely not 4. I'd say it would be in the 6s, or 7s, probably the 7s.
Yeah, I think the other car is 3.7 or something.
Oh wow!
The costliest. I mean the costliest one.
Oh,
Your one. Yeah, I had a look yesterday. YouTube.
Yeah,
It was saying 3.7 or something.
That's
like
probably the EQS 53.
Yeah, EQS,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's an AMG performance.
Yeah.
That's a pretty amazing car. That. Now I just saw a car park back here.
Yep.
Circle round. So the automatic parking, it's standard on all Mercedes-Benz. It can do your reverse parallel parks. It can do drive in and reverse bay parks as well, as long as it's got a car either side to give it something to work with. So I've found this park here.
That parking.
This one here. Yep. So I'm going to press my little P button down here.
Yep.
That's now detecting for car parks.
Okay.
So I'll drive past it. That's me driving past. Let it detect. There we go. Bring the vehicle to a stop. Select the park. Into reverse, and it's put on my blinker for me automatically. So now all I'm doing is just keeping control of the brake.
So it won't stop.
It will stop. I just like to do it myself because I just like to keep control of it.
Yeah.
So it's going to put me into drive, bring me forward to straighten me up. And once it thinks I'm done, puts me into park, and all I have to do is press off and get out. It's pretty easy, hey? And you'll see we're a good distance away from the curb. Tell you how I can check, just by pressing my P button again. And I've got all these amazing cameras, so I can see how far away I am from the curb.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And then I've got all these other views, so I can see my wide angle reverse, my top down here, or I've got my front wide angle as well. So now what's cool as well is that it'll also get me out on its own. So I press exit space into drive, and now it's just the same to get out. Change gears for me. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Into the reverse.
That's awesome. Is that good, Jay?
That's good.
Now, as I'm pulling out, it's checking my blind spot as well.
Okay.
So if there's any oncoming traffic, it is going to let me know.
Okay.
And it'll just tell me to take control.
Yeah.
Easy as that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
EQB has 465 liters boot capacity when compared to 854 in Model Y.
Whenever you are doing those highway drives, the driving assistance packages that come on this is standard. So your adaptive cruise control, your active steering, I'll show you how that all works. And you'll also notice I've got my blind spot monitoring working here.
Okay.
So if I were to indicate when someone was there, it would give me a nice loud beep. If I were to actually start turning and there was someone in my blind spot, it's going to pull me back. So it's preventing that collision.
Ah, yeah, okay. Is that, indicators on?
All on the left.
All on the left, okay. That's different than normal car, but is all Benz like that? Or?
All European cars are like that. So Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, So I've got my cruise control working now. It's steering, maintaining lane position for me.
Okay.
I'm just keeping a nice light grip.
That's good. Where did you do that?
I just turned on cruise control.
Okay.
And then I can adjust my speed nice and easily up here just by flicking up or down.
So when you switch on cruise control, it automatically
turns on my active steering.
Oh,
So
that's
it's
pretty good.
mapping my road using the cameras up here.
Okay. So why we have 3 aircons here?
Just the design of it.
Just the design.
Yeah. More flexibility, so I guess this one can go to the back and these two are
Yeah.
2 each for the driver and the passenger. Side one spot there. Now if someone were to obviously come in front of me and shorten that gap, it's going to brake for me autonomously as well.
Yeah. And can you loud the voice? I mean the speaker system.
Oh, make it louder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just do it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Now I can change the severity of the regen braking, so I just have it on sort of standard at the moment, but I can make it a little bit harsher just by using my paddles behind here.
Yeah.
So D minus is going to be very harsh, D is somewhere in the middle, and then D plus is sort of your least severe. I kind of like it in the just a standard.
What are these?
That's my side of the temperature for the aircon, and then your, so it's 2-zone climate control. Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. So what is it? Is that another necklace on the
That's a wind deflector, so it's not as windy and loud.
There are EQB 250 which is single motor and EQB 350 which is dual motor cars available currently in Australia. EQB 350 is a 66.5 kWh battery, delivers 419 km range, which is 6.3 km per kWh. We can't match this with a Tesla Model Y, which is around 507 km range, which is 7.2 km per kWh. That is a Tesla Model Y dual motor as well.
Pretty fun, right?
Another comparison with Tesla Model Y, it takes around 4 seconds to reach from 0 to 100 km per hour. At the same time, EQB 350 will take 6+ seconds to attain the same speed. EQB 350 is very different sort of SUV to the sober smooth Tesla. It's shorter, narrower and has 61 mm less in the wheelbase when compared to Model Y. But it's taller. EQB 350 is much taller compared to Tesla, which is around 80 mm taller than the other one.
It's a good opportunity to play with the cameras as well. So press on this. See your cursor.
Will it control? I mean, just in case if I am going closer.
Yeah, it's got autonomous braking, emergency braking, front and rear. So all your standard, all your safety features come standard on here. Now you're more than welcome to just park it up where, just in the next lane, we'll just park it on the left.
Over here?
Yeah, that's fine, just behind here.